Hi, I'm Tsering Choedup, and I worked for an organization called International Tibet Network for nearly 10 years. As we all know, China is trying to change the global narration of the current pandemic situation, and most importantly, China is trying to shift the global spotlight away from the COVID-19 that has affected the economy and the health of entire world. What China does these days with the broader incursion in India and in the neighboring countries, including what is happening down at the South China Sea, are nothing but a shrewd tactic to divert our attention away from the global pandemic of the COVID-19. This is a time world must come together and fight China's draconian actions. What is happening and what we are witnessing in Hong Kong with the imposition of national security law and the violation of fundamental freedom there is nothing short of this tactic. It is high time that we create a strong global coalition amongst Tibetans, East Turkestans, Mongolians, Taiwanese, and Hong Kongers to make a collective effort and work for greater cause, and then also make China responsible for all the inhuman subjugations to our people. I say this because timing is very important. We had global focus during Beijing 2008 Olympics, and we did really well then. However, there were many lessons to be learned from it. At times we were unable to seize opportunities at right timing, and because of this, all our strong raw video footages coming from Tibet sort of fell through our popular attention. When it comes to freedom struggle, there's always a flow of campaign like waves that hits high and low. However, it is utterly important to seize the right opportunity and hit back harder. And there is no better timing than now, when the entire world is gripped by the China's coronavirus pandemic. Calls for the boycott of Chinese goods are raised from all walks of life. Across the 6 continents, lawmakers are more concerned than ever before, possibly because of public backlash. And if we wanted true change to take place, now is the time that we work collectively and urge our governments to take heed to our demands and make China responsible for all the inhuman actions. We must also urge our governments to formulate laws that forbids any business ties with China. We need to hit China hard where it hurts the most. And the business is the only weapon China has, and it has been using this soft power to silence all the dissent against China. Let's not box ourselves within the confinement of tax society puts on us, separating us in the name of religion, caste, and creed. It is time we come out of our comfort zone, unleash ourselves from the confinement that constricts us from working together for a greater goal. Free Tibet, free Hong Kong, free East Turkestan, free Mongolia, free Taiwan. Thank you.